Well, hello, and thank you so much for stopping by our booth here at the Insight Spring Summit. We are so happy to be returning for the fourth time, which is crazy to think about, to the Spring Summit, but we love connecting with all of you and sharing what we know about legal templates and legal protection for your business with our over 20 years of combined experience helping entrepreneurs protect their business and get confident in their message and their ability to grow through legal protection. So my name is Kristen Santamaria, and I'm one of the two attorney co-founders of Dotted Lines. And what we do here at Dotted Lines is help on specifically nutrition and health and wellness entrepreneurs like yourself. We have many RDs who we have helped through our programs get legally protected. So we have legal contract templates. We have tons of legal education on topics that you guys face, such as scope of practice, state nutrition law issues, practicing across state lines, and have worked with many wonderful RDs that we've met here at the summit. So we are so excited to get to know some of you and to help you get more confident in legally protecting your business and exactly what you need to do that. So again, my name is Kristen. We are the two attorney co-founders of Dotted Lines. This is my lovely co-founder, Kelly. We have been best friends since the first grade, which is crazy to think about. And we are two attorneys that have lots of experience working with entrepreneurs and eventually got into this health and wellness space through my own personal health issues that I faced and working with an incredible RD at the time that helped me overcome them, really helped me realize there's a ton of need for legal help in this space for you guys to feel really clear in terms of what you need to legally protect your business and to help answer some of these really tricky questions that you all face, like practicing across state lines, scope of practice issues, state nutrition laws, and we really just set out to make legal help for this industry really clear, straightforward, and accessible, and easy to put in place and kind of get taken care of for your business. So now we do that through our legal contract templates and our legal education, legal training programs here at Dotted Lines. So thank you so much for stopping by our booth again. We would love to get to chat with you all live, and there's two opportunities to do that at the Spring Summit this year. The first is our Spotlight session, which is on Wednesday, February 25th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. We will be talking about what does it exactly look like to get your nutrition business legally protected, and we'll be kind of going over what we think every dietitian should know before sending their first client in their coaching practice, in the nutrition coaching practice. And then also on Friday, February 27th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, we will be participating in the exhibitor showcase. We will just be available to you guys for Q&A if you have any questions you want to run by us. And then we will be demonstrating our Legally Ready bundle in the expo showcase as well. Keep in mind, if you do have questions for us, we cannot offer legal advice through the Q&A, but we can help you, direct you in the right direction, and kind of explain how our resources could help you. And if you want to enter our giveaway, we would love to give you guys access to the Nutrition Business Legal Start Checklist. So this is really everything that you need to know if you are looking at just getting your nutrition business off the ground, if you're just kind of moving into your own practice and you want to make sure you've checked all legal boxes, this will be super helpful for you. And if you are someone who's been working with coaching clients for many years online, you have a dietitian coaching practice, we would love for you to get the access to this as well, just to make sure you have checked off everything that you need to and make sure you've thought of all the questions you might need to think of when it comes to your legal protection. So if you want to join one of our live sessions, we would love to have you. And we would also love to give you access to our mini disclaimer legal template. So that is a $99 value, and it is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of legal contract templates. And really what it is a set of disclaimers regarding, the scope of your practice, making sure you're not giving any kind of medical advice to those in your coaching practice, etc. to help you use that in emails, on blog posts you may have, or free resources or presentation. And so it is really helpful legal template, and we would love to give you access to that. And then we also have a summit attendee exclusive discount. So we have our legal protection program that we really love. That is our most popular product, is the Legally Ready bundle, and you can get $300 off that with code INSIGHT 2026 through Wednesday, March 4th. So we have this exclusive discount for you guys for attending the summit, and then you can also get access to our legal template for coming to one of our live sessions. And just to give you kind of an overview, if you are someone who is looking to get legal protection in place for your nutrition business quickly, and you want to make sure you have those contract templates that are specifically tailored to nutrition entrepreneurs such as yourself, we would love to help you. And kind of our best way to do that is our Legally Ready bundle. And what it is a collection of industry specific contract templates for everything from one-on-one coaching to group coaching programs to online courses or memberships, all of your website policies, and so much more. And then lots of legal education on things you need to know specifically for nutrition entrepreneurs. And if you are someone who's just getting your business started, kind of what are those startup steps? What do you need to know when it comes to, email marketing, or you're now looking into state nutrition laws? How do you go about doing that? And then we also have live support. So we have 12 months of live Q&A access. You get to make sure you know exactly what to do with the templates to get it set up for your business. And keep in mind, we cannot offer legal advice in those calls, but we can just help make sure that you get access to the resources you need, and point you in the right direction when it comes to any questions you may have. And then, just kind of what's included again in the bundle. If you are looking to get that protection in place, we have the contract templates for all of your offerings. And with these, each of the templates comes with an on-screen walkthrough from either myself or Kelly in terms of exactly how to complete that and get it filled out for your business. And then we have that kind of collection of really comprehensive industry-specific legal protection you get access to, and 12 months of live Q&A support. So kind of the steps that you go through when you join the bundle, first you join the community, and you can, take advantage of everything we have to offer immediately. Or if you want to kind of space it out and take care of any immediate questions and then get your basic contract templates up and running, you can do that as well. So you would kind of watch the template tutorial videos for the contract template that you need to fill out. And we have a cheat sheet for you in the bundle that makes it really clear on what contracts you need for what kind of offerings you may have in your business. So you will have total clarity in terms of what contract templates you even need to fill out, which is, I think, super helpful. And then you will complete those contract templates after watching the tutorial video. We make sure you know exactly what your contract says and what it means in plain English, and also what you need to do to complete it for your business quickly. And then you can watch those legal educational lessons as you have questions come up, or if you are just getting started, there is tons of resources for you in there in terms of what steps you need to make sure that you take to get your business up and running. And then you will have that peace of mind and legal protection. And really what we see is people finally get their questions answered, they get their legal contract templates in place, and they feel really confident in getting their business out there and helping as many people as possible, which is ultimately our goal for you. As people who have really needed your services as well, we know how important they are to the world and want to make sure you have the confidence you need to get them out there and help as many people as possible. So here is a testimonial from one of our lovely dietitian members of our bundle. But she said, as a startup entrepreneur in the nutrition space, she really had that daunting task of either investing countless hours learning the legal intricacies of this industry, or spending a lot of money for expert help. And so the bundle has been a game changer for her, and it has allowed her kind of to demonstrate her professionalism to her clients and protect her business at the same time. She says that she loves that it's super easy to use, and having this all set up from the start has been a huge weight off her shoulders, which is exactly our goal for the bundle. So we'd love to hear that. And then this is Julie, another one of our lovely dietitian members in the bundle. And she said that it has been one of the best investments she's made for her business. And it's really taken away that little nagging voice in the back of her head about legal protection. Now she knows she's protected, and that kind of peace of mind has been well worth the investment. So we were so happy to hear that as well, and love for you guys to have the same results and feel really confident about your legal protection as well. So, you can message us here in the WOVA app. We would love to connect with you. And then obviously, attend one of our live sessions, but you can find us on Instagram at Dotted Line Contracts. Always feel free to email us. Here is our email address. This is just for Kelly and I, so you'll get access to us. And then you can check out our website at dottedlinesco.com. But thank you so much for stopping by our booth. We would absolutely love to connect with you and to see you at one of our live sessions. And if you can't make it, feel free to message us through the WOVA app as well. Thanks so much. Bye.